Okay guys, we got the Chevy Cruze here. They said that the check engine light flashes, it misfires, it sputters. They said that I guess it has a coolant leak. I'm worried that it might have a bad head gasket, so I fired up my what do you call it, a 5-gas analyzer. We'll let this connect a while. We'll check up here. And it's the turbo, so we know it has a coolant leak. Looks like there's no coolant in it. Looks like our reservoir is bone dry. Kind of looks like it was coming out of the cap. Yeah, there is nothing in there. We are bone dry, but it's weird because thermostat housing here looks bone dry. That's what's making me think it was blown out the top. Hope to get this over to the bay. I don't see any signs of coolant leaking. Why does it look like it has no oil on it? Did we have no coolant and no oil? Let me get a rag. Let's get this car scanning. I'm gonna go get a rag. I'm gonna go check this oil. Let's see. Let's stop this chime. Here we go. Just to get our brightness up on the scan tool. Turn this off. There we go. Now we can see. Let's get these windows down. Oh, this window's broken. Okay, so that window's broken. I don't know which connectors it was. Let's see. So we'll let this scan. Got a lot of codes. Let's see what they are real quick. Okay. Fuel trim rich. Engine overboost. Engine underboost. Misfire detected. Knock sensor module performance. Catalyst efficiency. BARO. That's a lot of codes. Let's just let this continue scanning. Like I said, I'm gonna go get a paper towel. We'll check this. And yeah, we'll check this till it takes 5:30. Got one. Okay guys, let's see. Wipe this all off. There we go. Yeah, there's no oil in this. Let me get some oil. We'll put oil in this till it fills up. So we got no oil and no coolant. Okay guys, so I got us 5 quarts of oil. Sorry, not 5, 3 quarts. Let's put this in and see when it starts reading. Go. Let's see if we got anything. Nothing. Still bone dry. Just double check. bone dry. How much did we put in? We put in, that was a quart. Let's put some more in. I should just dump it all in. Still got nothing. Thing's bone dry. Oop. Now we're spilling some. There we go, that was 3 quarts of oil. Oh, now looks like we got some. I think we're still at the low end, but we got some now. Yeah, okay, now we're in the middle. Now we're in the middle, folks. Look at that, you can see the drip on there. So we're in the middle. So we made some progress. So we got that. Now we can at least start it up, take it over to the shop. And we'll look at some live data. Let's see. Let's go in the car. Let's see. Oops. Got to trip my door lock. Let's go to ECM. I want to see what our fuel trims do here. I don't think this has start stop. Let's go to live data. Fuel trim. Let's see, short term, long term. Let's go to our mass airflow. We'll look at map. What's our BARO? Because remember, I complained about BARO. BARO looks good. May not be able to look at mass airflow. Okay, calculated airflow. Let's see, we don't want this calculated in pounds. I want it in grams a second. Just record this, start it up. Well, that's good. Oh man, this is misfiring bad, guys. Let's drive this over. Put some coolant in it. Oh. We lost our jug, guys. We lost our jug. Look how bad that's shaking. What's our fuel trims at right now? Okay, our fuel trims aren't too bad. Oh wait, we don't even have fuel trims. Never mind. I was looking at our mass airflow sensor. We'll have to fix this misfire, figure out what it is. I fired up my 5-gas, so we can check the coolant reservoir for like hydrocarbons and CO2 and stuff. Let's we'll have to get some coolant in here too. Let me get my 5-gas. Okay guys, 5-gas is on. So let's open this. Our radiator fan's still on now. Let's see. Changes. Oh, look at that. Look at that, guys. We got a bad head gasket. Hydrocarbons 2300 CO2 CO. Look at that, right from the reservoir right here. I gotta make a phone call real quick, but we'll come back to this car. Okay guys, so what I want to do with this car real quick, I want to go back. Let's go back. Let's go into the live data. Let's go into, I want to see misfire. Misfire graphic? Just want to make sure it says cylinder 1. Oh yeah, look at that 1. Let's see if this goes way up with the car running. And then we'll pull out cylinder 1 and we'll look in there. Okay, so we're just dissipating it now. So we'll pull out spark plug 1. I guess we'll put some coolant in here. We'll pressurize it, and we'll see if it goes into the cylinder. So we can just pull the spark plugs out quick. Okay guys, so I filled the reservoir up with coolant. I pulled the cover off. We got a door last coil, so I'm going to pop this coil out. We'll pull out spark plug 1, we'll pressurize this, and we'll just make a 100% confirmation. Let me shut this off. So that's what I'm going to do. So guys, all these spark plugs are loose except for cylinder 1. Like, I don't even have to put a ratchet on them, they're just loose. Let's see if I can get this one. Nope, this one might be tight. But the front one, yeah, look at that. There's nothing there. It's loose. Look at that, I broke that loose. But this one I can't break loose. So I tried to take it out. It's not budging. I'm gonna have to get a longer ratchet or something. Nothing. Guys, I can't even get it to budge with this ratchet. I'm afraid the spark plug's gonna snap. I'll tighten these other ones up. Can't believe how loose they were. Wow, that one was really loose. Could have like got stuck with carbon being loose. Let me put this back together, we'll start it up, and we'll see if we get smoke at the exhaust or something. Just can't get that spark plug out. Okay guys, let's start this up. Maybe they cracked the head. Oh, look at that. It smells like it possibly has a bad head gasket. We'll have to see what happens here. It's not leaking as bad. Guess we can lower the pressure down. See if it's bubbling. Let this run for a little bit. They drove it here like this, so I can't really hurt it. Guys, look at the coolant. It's covered. It's annoying. I did notice though, if you raise the RPM up, there's no more misfire. It's like as smooth as can be. See? Raise it up. It even sounds good. I wonder if it'll show it on the misfire. Flash is on. Look at that. No misfires when you raise the RPM up. Even just off idle. See, now it's misfiring. Just wish we could get that spark plug out. I'm gonna put this cap back on, and we'll I gotta run to another shop quick, so I'll just flip this on here and we'll let this cool back down, and then we'll start it up when we get back. So guys, the car's been running for like, I don't know, 20 minutes. Look at that. We got a bad head gasket. Look at the white smoke. Let's see if we can get, is there a way to get a good picture of this? There we go. So yeah, 100% bad head gasket. Hope you guys like it. If we put a motor in, I'll let you guys know. See you guys later. Okay guys, look. Look at all that. So yeah, 100% bad head gasket. I'm going to call him and tell him he needs a motor. It's low on oil. Well, it was low on oil. Burning coolant. We need a motor.